I'm Matt Johnston. I'm one of the two co-founders of Collective Arts Brewing. We started Collective Arts with a big vision. Not to be too philosophical, but we believe the creative world's a better world. It is all about collaboration in this sort of grassroots movement. The artists inspire us and push us. When we launched, we had one beer, Rhyme and Reason Extra Pale Ale, and it had 93 different pieces of art. Artistry and creativity is global, craft beer is global. We like the idea of seeding our brand around the world. I do a lot of hiring. There's certain cultural aspects that come out of universities, and I still, to this day, love the graduates coming out of Guelph, that they're very down-to-earth but very driven individuals, and I think that very much fits the culture of our company as well.